Good morning, everyone. This is Brad here on this vlog, and I got somebody with me, and we're going to go out and do some rail fanning. He has rail fan, but he doesn't bring his cameras like I do. So let's get to the video. We are ready to roll, and we'll get back on the highway right about now. As we approach the junction here, we have UP working on the tracks, and we kind of stayed away from the crew that is working on the tracks because it could be a lot of heavy equipment there. So we decided to just move right along. In Given, there is always a sheriff car either pull over to the road or on the shoulder and make sure that everybody drives safely. Because there were a lot more speeders on the highway, and they want you to keep an eye on the road and slow down for them. We got off to a slow start filming any train, and we will park it here for a while, and we'll get to the trains in just a moment. Yeah, me and my coworker end up filming 11 trains. Of course, I'll still be out there, but he had to leave for his family thing at church. So it was fun to be around, and we'll hope we get to do it again. We're going to check this train out, and we were just west of Shelton, about to go into Shelton. We're eastbound on the US 30. I'm calling it a day. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you like the video. And comment on it and all that. But thanks for watching this video. I will see you guys on my next video. Alright guys, bye bye. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. You can comment on it and you can subscribe to my channel. Also hit the notification bell when I post a video on YouTube. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye bye for now. Da 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 da.